Hey, what's up, guys? This is Brian from Whisper Status 74. I am playing Gears of War 5 on the Xbox One X, early access, beta, multiplayer thing. Just jumped in it today, actually. I signed up for the Xbox Season Game Pass thing, which I'm not sure is a great value or not. We'll see. Downloaded a few games. I have not played Gears multiplayer since I'm getting chased after right now. Gears multiplayer since Gears of War 2 on the 360. And I gotta tell you, this is like my third or fourth match, and I love it. It's a third person, obviously, if you know Gears. I was always more of an FPS fan, multiplayer-wise, but this game looks amazing, runs very well. Whoa. I always love how the Gears of War guys are like gigantic and they kind of trying to get covered.
You're lead, bro.
So you know I don't edit my gameplay and watch me die much times. But jump in on it. I mean, I'm not sure how many days are left. Look that up if you have an Xbox. But I'm having a good enough time with it where I'm actually going to go back to Gears of War 4 and see what that multiplayer population is like. I think they'll be very happy to have me playing like this. This guy's got a double. I don't know the specs in terms of what it's running at. It's never been a super fast game. Won the first couple, got totally housed the next few. That guy's on the phone. Are you guys big Gears fans? Have you ever played the multiplayer?
Leave these lying around?
Enemy spotted.
Try ducking, Brian. Use that cover.
Enemy spotted.
And I tell you, it runs pretty smooth for a beta. I heard it was a little rocky initially, but it seems to be running pretty well. I had no problem getting a match. Like a true gamer, just totally skipped the tutorial. Oh, hey now. Oh, flashback. Always like the map design on the Gears multiplayer. A lot more inspired than Call of Duty lately. Battlefield 5 is a little bit of a mess right now. Titanfall 3 is not coming out for a long time, so what are you guys looking at? The new Call of Duty looks amazing, actually. Looks very different, but it looks very good. I'm just ready for some modern warfare. No more World War II stuff for me. He's a sniper. I'll get to him. No! Anyway, guys, that's quick gameplay. 4K at 60 is what I filmed it at. It's fun. I enjoy it. I'll play a little while longer. I'll probably jump back into Gears 4. Hope everyone is doing well. Take care. Check it out. Oh! Die. Right as I finish the video. Alright, guys. Take care.